Hello, I'm Bethany from Bethany Wellness. Join me for What is Tabletop Pose. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today as we explore what are different yoga poses. Today we are exploring what is tabletop. So tabletop means on your hands and knees on your mat. So coming to hands and knees, aligning yourself up here. So wrists align under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Knees are about hip distance apart, which is about 2 fist widths. So you can kind of take 2 fists and just kind of visualize there that that's how far your knees are. If you want to go a little bit farther, that's fine. And then we're just keeping a nice straight, flat back, gaze is down. So we're keeping that neck neutral. So we're not kinking the neck up or we're not gazing, tucking the chin to the chest. We're truly just gazing down in between the hands. And the benefits here of tabletop pose is strengthening the upper body. So strengthening the wrists, strengthening the shoulders, the arms, a little bit of opening through the back of the shoulders. Also elongating the spine. So think about here in your tabletop, energy flowing out the crown of your head, energy flowing out the tailbone. So we're just keeping a nice flat back. Some poses that would be flowing from this we will discuss later, but this is considered a foundational pose in a yoga practice because a lot of poses flow from tabletop. Now, if you have tender knees, you are welcome to modify the pose, bringing a blanket underneath the knees for extra support and extra cushioning. So that concludes What is Tabletop. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you again for our next What is the Next Pose. Be well.